Hello everyone, welcome to the Foodie Kitchen, and today we're going to make some pasta carbonara. This is one of the most famous pastas in Rome, and let's get right into the ingredients. So here we have spaghetti, salt, 4 eggs, pancetta, black pepper, and pecorino cheese. Now let's get on to the first step. So now the first step is to take some salt and get it into the pot. So we're going to place this over here, and we're going to take a handful of salt to the pan. It's very hot, so be careful. Next, we're going to place the pasta, all 400 grams of it, into the pot, and we're going to let it sit for 11 minutes. Okay, so now then we're going to let that sit, and next we're going to get our pancetta, our pork belly, and put it into this low heat pan. The reason why it's low heat, not high heat, is because it would burn if it's in a high heat. And also we're not going to put any oil, as you can see there. We're not going to put any oil because this is already a very oily part of the pork. It's a pork belly. So let's put that in. So now let's get into the sauce. So we're just gonna get our tank. Don't worry about the crap bits because we're going to throw it away anyways. I know this. So you're going to continue cracking your 4 eggs, but only use the yolk, as I said before. So now we're going to get all of our yolk and we're going to mix it. And after a little bit, after it's mixed, we're going to take our pecorino and we're going to put it in. Try to get all of it because it makes it better. As you can get, you get a very thick sauce. Now, don't put any milk here because it will make it very, very heavy. And also no cream, please. It will also ruin the original recipe, which has no cream or milk added. Now, we would normally use pepper, but in this case I don't really like pepper, so I'm gonna leave it out. But it's okay to use it, and also you can use it after you cook the pasta. So now let's go back to the pancetta, and you can see how there's a little bit of actually a lot of oil here. Now you want to turn off the hob because it will get a little too hot and it will burn, but still keep it on the pan so it still cooks. Now I think our pasta is ready, and we're going to preserve a little bit of pasta water because it's going to be important to the sauce later. As you can see, our pasta is ready, so we're going to take our pasta and we're going to put it into a pan. So now we mixed our pancetta and our pasta. Now we're going to take our spaghetti water and we're going to mix it with our sauce. It's going to make it very watery. Now we're going to take our mix and we're going to put it into the pasta. And we're going to mix it. Now, because you don't want scrambled eggs, I insist that you put your temperature of your hob at low or nothing at all. Now, do the tasting test. It's very salty, but it's very nice as well. You can taste the yolk, and you can also take the pecorino, and the pancetta is also very nice and light tasting. Please, I got something in my mouth. And generally, it's a very nice pasta recipe. So, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.